everyone, hello, namaste, welcome and welcome back to Get Peppy with me. So, कैसे हो आप सब? I hope everyone is doing awesome, amazing, brilliant. टाइटल देखकर आप सोच रहे होंगे कि आज मैं ऐसा सुपर लाइट वेट कौन सा कलेक्शन लेके आ गई हूँ, वो भी कंटी स्टाइल में जैसे मैंने पहना है. You guys will not believe they are starting from a net weight of just 5 grams. Those कंटी necklaces, Italian format में with pearl detailing, rose gold, yellow gold के format में they are available from 5 gram onwards with a price range of 1.5 lakh rupees. With my mind was blowing when I was seeing those pieces और मैंने सोचा क्यों ना मैं ये pieces आप लोगों के लिए रिकॉर्ड करूं आज के हमारे वीडियो में. They are just so statement and lovely looking कि आप कोई भी ब्राइडल सेरेमनी में जैसे फंक्शंस हो गए हैं, हल्दी, मेहंदी, संगीत, किसी में भी पहन सकते हो and it will look so very classy. So without wasting any time, let's get into the video. And talking about the store, store is located at Jubilee Hills, road number 36, pillar number 1680. Without wasting any time, let's get into the video and explore the super affordable Kanti short necklaces from AK Fine Jewels. Starting with the first piece is this kind of a designer Kanti short necklace. This one is flexible in rose gold, if you guys are seeing, in 18 karat gold. And this is the center pendant. This is like a detachable center pendant, like you guys can see. बहुत अलग कॉन्सेप्ट है ये कंटी शॉर्ट नेकलेस का, विच यू हैव नॉट सीन बिफोर टिल नाउ. दीज आर ऑल रियल प्रेशियस स्टोन्स एंड रियल डायमंड्स. Diamonds are of VVS EF clarity, and you can see the product specification of only this Kanti short necklace chain, which is 6.383 grams approximately. And these are the specifications of the pendant. Pendant जो है देखिए इस तरीके से है, फ्लेक्सिबल, आप निकाल के पहन सकते हो इसे, उस तरीके का डिज़ाइन है ये वाला. डेफिनेटली अ वेरी यूनिक डिज़ाइन एंड पैटर्न. इसका नेट वेट जो सेंटर पीस है इसका 14.124 ग्राम है. डायमंड का वेट इज कमिंग क्लोज टू 0.190 कैरेट अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. दैट्स अबाउट दिस ब्यूटीफुल पीस एंड प्राइस विल बी अराउंड 2.5 लाख रुपीज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली फॉर द चेन along with the center pendant. This is the next design in Kanti short necklace. Again, the similar kind of a design, but this one is in yellow gold. The one that I have shown you before was in rose gold, in 18 karat gold. This is really very light. If you guys are seeing, it will look really very trendy and fashionable, which you can wear on your ghangras or any of your wedding ceremony. And again, the similar kind of a design. This is flexible and also this is removable. You guys can remove it and wear it. So I can show you the tag of this necklace, which is 6.189 grams. It's only the weight of this chain, Kanti chain. एंड इसका अलग रहेगी डिटेल्स. पूरा मिलाकर हम लोगों को प्राइस पड़ेगा अराउंड 2.5 लाख रुपीज अप्रॉक्सीमेटली. This is the next designer Kanti short necklace. Again, the similar kind of a design. The center pendant is a separate piece and this chain, rose gold chain, is a separate design altogether. दोनों का मिला के हम लोगों को प्राइस अराउंड 1.5 लाख रुपीज के आसपास पड़ेगा. And if you guys want to see the center pendant, just look at the center pendant with pink color stones and diamonds embedded. It's so very classy. It will look really very nice if you wear it and also very edgy design. इसका net weight is coming close to 4.8 to 8 grams. That's the net weight of only the pendant, and diamond weight is 0.430 carat approximately. That's about this beautiful center pendant. This is also detachable and also removable. These pendants are available in different colors also. This one is in pink color, which I have already shown. This one is in yellow color, if you guys are seeing. If you guys want to take it in a yellow beautiful color, you can go for this kind of a color, or it is available in multicolor like this also, with different colors, pink, green, blue, and other color combinations, or this kind of a pink color also. It's up to you what kind of a center pendant you want to choose. This one is another pendant. This pendant is in green color with all diamonds in it. It's really very simple and classy if you guys are seeing. And ये कंटी चेन के तो बारे में ऑलरेडी हम लोगों ने डिस्कस कर लिया है. इट्स इन येलो गोल्ड हियर एंड इसका नेट वेट अराउंड 6 ग्राम्स रहेगा. बट द पेंडेंट दैट यू आर सीइंग हियर इज सो रॉयल एंड क्लासी. इफ आई हैव टू शो यू द डिज़ाइन फ्रॉम बैक ऑल्सो, इस तरीके का है ये. डिटैचेबल है. यू कैन एक्चुअली रिमूव दिस इंस्टेड ऑफ दिस कंटी चेन, Kanti flat chain. You can actually wear this on pearl chain and also gold chain pendants. बहुत beautiful लगेगा ये वाला piece. Price of the complete piece, यानी कि इस तरीके का chain and pendant का price is coming close to 2,05,000 rupees. Along with this kind of color, you also have it available in different colors like this. Pink color में भी है. It's up to you. Price of this will be around 2,05,000 rupees approximately. Any piece that you pick up. And the next designs in the kanti pattern are this kind of Italian kanti short necklace, where you can see this kind of twisted Italian chain pattern with pearls in it and center pendant. Price of this will be around 1.6 lakh rupees approximately. So I'll show you the design of it. Look at the center pendant. It's so very beautiful with diamonds and this kind of a 3D look in flower also. You can see the twisted workmanship in Italian chain and also pearl detailing. Definitely a very classy design in 18 karat gold, and price will be around 1.6 lakh rupees approximately. Wear this with this kind of matching ear tops. बहुत अच्छे लगेंगे this kind of pieces. It's also available in different colors. Instead of green color, you can go for blue color or also pink color. Let me show you the design of it from front. Green color का इस तरीके का look है, ब्लू कलर का इस तरीके का लुक है एंड पिंक कलर का इस तरीके का लुक है. सो इट्स अप टू यू विच काइंड ऑफ अ डिजाइन यू वांट टू गो फॉर और विच काइंड ऑफ अ कलर विल सूट यू मोर. Alright friends, that's it for today's video, and if you guys are those lovely brides who are getting married in the year 2024 and आपको आपके wedding ceremonies के लिए कुछ pieces चाहिए जो कि आप कभी भी flexibly पहन सकते हो, these kind of super flexible, very lightweight kanti short necklaces are a must have in your wardrobe for any of your festive wedding occasions, क्योंकि ऐसे pieces जो है ना last minute will be really very helpful for you to decide on something which will look very classy, statement and also awesome at the same time. So if you guys want to explore more pieces like this, do come down to the store and explore this amazing variety of kanti necklaces available only at AK Fine Jewels, located at Jubilee Hills Road number 36. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Take care and have a good day. Bye bye.